Hey, what's going on, guys? Pete with Auto Repair Tips, bringing you a quick tip. Working on a 99 SLK 230. Customer's complaint is a transmission leak. It's a really super clean car. He keeps up with it good. Let me show you the most common problem when it comes to transmission leaks on these cars. This is your electrical connector that goes right inside here. This is the lock ring for it. There's a 7mm bolt inside there. I've already loosened this one up. It just slides out. This is what the new one looks like. And this is the part number to it. He said it's been a while since he's had a transmission service on this thing, so we're gonna go ahead and do that also. But if you go to do it, this is your fluid that you need. This is your part number to the filter. And this is your gasket. Everything you see here from the dealership is about 160 bucks. I do get like a 20% discount, so you're probably gonna have to add 20% to that. But this job is definitely doable at home. It is like a skill level, maybe 3. All right, guys, the last bit of advice is you're gonna need to get a dipstick. This is the one that I use. It's made by Dorman, 917321. You can pick one up at any auto parts store. I'll put a link in the description below where you can get one at. Guys, it is super simple to use. Just make sure when you're filling it up, you bring the car to operating temperature. You follow the fill procedures. If you don't have it, go online. I'm sure you can find it. All right, guys, that is it for this quick tip. I appreciate you watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Catch you later.